Alright guys, Thomas Miata coming at you live from Shenandoah Speedway at AMA, where Kevin just took his car out for his first pass.
Well, I don't have money for a rotor. I'm not buying a rotor right now.
So a little bit of damage. I was waiting for a place to start the video. Good job. It happens. Look, I've literally crashed my shit the first pass before too. Such is life. Pretty minor though, it looks like. I'll be hopping into my car here and getting some passes in here shortly.
The whole rear knuckle broke.
Yeah.
Done.
Hey.
What's up, boys?
What's up? All right, so the deal is when you get in this car, you got to do some filming, and you got to do some posting, and you got to do some tagging. Thomas Miata and DriftLyft. Thank you very much. We'll see y'all out there.
Not doing it. But then it is again.
Yeah, well, the two different tire sizes is pretty weird. I'm just taking it easy, getting some laps in.
Oh yeah, man.
Tires are done. What is this? Look, I don't know if you all know this, but I actually made this seat specifically for Justin because I knew he'd be the only guy that could fit his legs around the roll bar.
Yeah, you can kind of do this, but if you do get an accident, it's going to break your leg.
Oh yeah, yeah. The hot seat is the one that is the you take your life into your own hands.
Look, it's super
seat.
tight back here.
So the car's running a little warm, so the coolant mod didn't seem to help as much as I would have liked, and also my power steering is still fighting me. So occasionally I'm drifting this thing with no power steering. Is what it is. I'm prepared for it. I'll make it work. Besides that, car's doing good, feels good. Third gear, running free tires. So they're rubbing the car. Good thing I didn't wrap it or anything, because it would have screwed it all up, especially this side. Now I'm gonna get back to it. Oh, Kevin, you gotta give us a reenactment.
Yeah, I don't ever stop.
Stu's here.
Yeah.
What's up, Stu?
Not much.
Hey, you almost hit me with that drone. Was that you?
No. I was up higher.
Okay.
It was somebody else.
The drone guy was like, when I took off, I don't think he was paying attention because I feel like he almost hit the roof of the car.
Ram that crap. It's good footage.
Yeah, I'm not gonna stop. I got places to go.
If you see my drone, hit it. If you can hit it, hit it.
Kevin's gonna work off that damage. He's already got a plan. See y'all out there. Just doing the background there for the little filming action. Thanks, buddy. All right, man, shout it up.
What up?
Instagram or YouTube or whatever.
Never Satisfied Drift and 92 Drift Pony.
All right, good stuff. Good job.
Thank
hey,
you.
It's gonna be fun out there. Hey, good luck on the competition, dude.
Thank you, thank you.
Hell yeah. What's good? Mateen in the house.
What's up?
Shout it out, whatever, Instagram or whatever you want.
2K Drift.
There it is. Guys, we just got back from that run and I want to do a little shout out. Got a visitor from Russia.
Всем привет, он Russian. Мы только что катались с Томасом на его машине, все было очень круто, замечательно. И присоединяйтесь к моему каналу на YouTube, если вы говорите по-русски, в чем я сомневаюсь. Это Race State и Instagram Race State тоже.
All right, I understood Instagram. Good stuff. I hope you had a good time. Thank you for coming along.
Thank you too, it was nice.
Heck yeah. Little check-in on the track. About to get ready to go out for qualifying. We had a little mishap. Basically, the E30 that you see right there hit the wall right where the trash can is, spun, and then hit the 240. We will no longer park right there. It will be staying closer to there. This is how it all begins. What do you got? Any thoughts?
You're up against Lance. He doesn't have a last name.
Oh.
It's just Lance.
Just Lance.
You better fucking watch out. I'm just saying, like, it's fucking Lance. Golden Fist, it was sick. Alright, so we'll go from the top. Your number one qualifier today is Chris Coleman.
Oh, Chris. Good job, good job, good job.
Number two qualifier is Nathan Working. Yeah!
Yeah.
Number three,
There he is.
Travis Shaw. Number four, Thomas Miata. Number five, Kylie Mackey. Number six, Colby Gates. Number seven, Dennis Porto. Number eight, Cody Bell. Number nine, Tyler Bowman. Number 10, Valerie Saradish. Where the hell are you? Sergey Lukashuk. Number 12, Harley Neville. 13, Lance. Woo!
That's
what was that, 13? 14, I believe should be Jordan Gaiman. That brings number 15, Wayne Anderson, and 16, Stone Sampson.
Good stuff.
So unfortunately, if you did not hear your
All right, there's Lance. We'll be going up against each other. Shout it out, bud.
Hey, what's up, man? You can find me at Lance RR Able.
Hell yeah. Good luck, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Shout it out. You're my next battle.
What's up, guys? Harley Knipple with No Sense Drift. Next battle against Thomas.
Hell yeah. You got your own Instagram or you
Yeah, I don't even know it. S14 Zenky something. It's one of them. Just check out No Sense Drift on Instagram. That's all I'm worried about.
Hell yeah. I just broke an axle.
Broke an axle?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the passenger side axle just broke. Hey, you know, you gotta build a reliable car or else you're gonna lose.
He said start now, 7:51.
Let's go, that's 5 minutes.
Right now.
Did you get the axle?
Yeah, you did.
Inside the right car?
Little tiny pouch, it's just good, big enough for that camera.
Here's the 18, it works.
Hey, we gotta do tires too. Let's
Do the sockets.
We got a small hammer.
Open the door so you can get a better handle on it.
Where's your air?
And a 3/8 ratchet. Dude, we were there. I had one bolt and you could have run it.
Yeah.
If we were like, if we really had to.
Oh, I know.
One bolt in, but no, there's no point.
I think it doesn't matter. Another minute, we still wouldn't have had it here, so it's fine. Well, guys, valiant effort. Thanks, Justin. Thanks, Stu, Jake, Kevin, everybody. Hey, I had a 5-minute timeout, and the axle was broken, and we had to get it, fixed up. Ran out of time, is what it is. Come back out on the next one. Have a good time. I had fun no matter what. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.